Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.